What an absolute beauty, just arrived in. Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TDI SEL 4Motion DSG. So this is four-wheel drive, automatic, finished in pure white. The car is absolutely beautiful all the way around, totally unmarked. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous example. It raced in January 2019 on a 68 plate with around £5,000 worth of factory fitted options. Fully kitted out. There isn't much more options you'd want on a vehicle. It is gorgeous all the way around, fabulous to drive. 180 brake horsepower, and of course four-wheel drive as I mentioned. Let's take you all the way around it. It's got front and rear parking sensors. Electric tailgate, which was an option. Great size boot, nice and clean. This one's also got the electric tow bar. Very quick and easy, just pull the button and it drops down. Lock into position and you're away. So quick, so easy. And again, pull the button, push it back into location. There we go. Nice, easy, quick. Spare wheel. Great size boot. Lovely and clean. Split folding rear seats. Through load facility. Nice and clean in there, not being damaged. And of course, electric closure. The bodywork is absolutely fantastic. There's no marks, no dents, no scratches, no scuffs. Beautiful example all the way around, totally cherished. The last owner bought it when it was about 6 months old. Ex-demonstrator, we believe. It's got the 5-spoke alloy wheels in titanium grey. All of them totally unmarked. This is how the vehicle came in. None of these have been refurbished by us. All of them absolutely fabulous. Fitted with matching Hankook tyres all the way around. Front parking sensors. Upgraded headlights. Again, all the front end. No chips, just absolutely gorgeous. And we did a video to just show you exactly how nice all our cars are, so nothing is left to chance. Of course, you've got the full glass panoramic sunroof, which is tilt and slide, not just simply a glass sunroof. Chrome roof rails. All the trims, all in great condition, and this also got the upgraded full leather upholstery. Again, totally unmarked. You can almost smell the leather, can't you? There we go. It is gorgeous inside. Just the attention to detail. Centre armrest with the cup holders. Nice bit of grey piping in there with the black leather. Rear climate control. USB input as well at the rear. And the little tables. Again, the driver's door panel, all in great condition. Bit of storage there. Electric windows, electric mirrors. It's got the folding mirrors. Electric seats, memory seats, of course heated seats. All of those in great condition. Again, no damage, no marks, non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. Of course, the panoramic sunroof. Again, all the interior, all the trims in a lovely condition. Mileage of just 12,000 miles, 12,218, with full VW service history. This has got the virtual cockpit dashboard as well, which we'll come back to that a bit later on. I'll show you that. Nice clear touchscreen display. Nice big screen. All nice and easy, touch screen, just scroll across. Of course, Bluetooth phone connection, satellite navigation. Just nice to scroll across with the touchscreen. Everything's easy to set up. Of course, front and rear park sensor showing visually the car position as well. The mirrors drop down when you put it into reverse, just to stop you catching the curb. Adaptive cruise, lane assist, got emergency braking, all the safety features you'd ever want. On the dashboard you can have various layout of the dashboard, onboard computer, fuel range and so forth. Great stereo system on the vehicle as well. All nice clear layout in front of you. The full menu, including a compass as well, so you know which direction you're heading for. Again, you can set the distance, so it warns you with the vehicle in front of you how close you're getting. Paddle shift gear change, various functions on the leather multifunction steering wheel, folding mirrors, and the virtual cockpit dashboard in front of you, so with the satellite navigation right in front of you. So you can have it in front of you or on the left hand side, and again you can set the dashboard to whatever display you want to see in front of you. Heated front and rear seats, children climate control, USB aux input, 4Motion of course 4-wheel drive, and various driving modes. So you've got sport mode, off-road, individual, to get the car just right for you. Of course, the panoramic sunroof, as I mentioned, is tilt and slide. Nice to get some fresh air in as well as the sunshine through the roof. Again, all nice and easy controllable from the switch panel just above. And of course, there is a blind under there if you don't want the sun to come into you. absolutely fabulous to drive. It really is a gorgeous, gorgeous car, well cherished. And in the glove box you've also got the SD card as well as the CD. So there we have it, our absolutely fantastic Tiguan 2.0 TDI SEL 4Motion with just 12,000 miles, packed with full of goodies, £5,000 worth of factory fitted options, of course 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange always a pleasure, great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your monthly payments, your HP or PCP deal, low deposits, low monthly payments. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct to our website, click and reserve to make sure nobody else beats you to it. Remember our full money back guarantee. If you reserve it and you feel the car is not as described, or if refund you the deposit, no questions asked. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Specialist cars based in Stoke-on-Trent, a multi-award-winning dealer. Just check out all our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple, we've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.